Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, man, we back with another motherfucking banger. GSHAWN700 and WNC Whop Bezzy Pistol Whip, man. Hey, y'all, many of y'all know him from the last time that nigga was in that hoe grooving and jigging. Y'all know about the last one, man. Y'all know about the last one. Now, I ain't heard shit from him since, but I was told that this hoe was a banger and that this hoe was fire and that I need to take a look at it. So guess what we finna do? We finna take a look at this hoe and we're gonna break this hoe down, because I'm telling you, this GSHAWN700 nigga, I ain't never even, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really, So I don't be knowing what to expect. Whatever the first time y'all see on my channel be the first time I seen the shit. So if it's trash, don't be mad at me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, bro. I've never heard any of these. You know what I'm saying? I've never heard of them. So I don't want to be the guy that, you know what I'm saying, waste y'all time with, So with that being said, I want to put that out there before anything even, Yeah. Without any further ado, Pistol Whip, GSHAWN700, WNC, Whop Bezzy. Let's get it. Yeah. It's some.
I know she is here.
Hold on. First of all, let's pause this right here. Oh God, this nigga would have had me fucked up. Nigga beat on my door. Nigga at nighttime. Oh God, you getting your ass blew down, boy. You getting your puff like a cigarette, boy. Don't you ever in your motherfucker. Especially if I'm asleep, my nigga. Bro, like, no. Y'all know how hard it is to get into that good sleep where you just like, yeah, I'm in here for the day. Nigga, I can't, bro, because if you interrupt my sleep, I don't mind mama for I wouldn't give a fuck if the motherfucking house was burning down. Do not wake me up out my sleep, my nigga. Do not touch me. Do not knock on my door. Don't do shit. Do not fuck with me when I'm asleep. I hate that shit. Oh God, so this nigga beat on the door, got his ass beat on my mama. Oh God, that nigga, what the fuck, nigga? And if he didn't get his ass beat, he was gonna get his ass talked to something stupid. Boy, who the fuck is this? But who the boy? If you don't get your mother, boy, if you don't get your boy, almost, boy, what? Boy, man, let's say, boy, nigga, get right with you. I swear to God, boy, you beat on my door like that late at night if you want to and see what happened. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Whew, I don't even know I got that bad, oh God. But anyway, yeah, let's get into this though. Oh, and he was playing the game. That's disrespectful.
I know she is here.
Get out my nigga door, man. What the fuck? They pulled, bro. These niggas are savage. These niggas are savage as fuck. These niggas that pulled this all that nigga here behind the girl. And then started pistol whooping this nigga. I'm talking about the nigga just got the make it mook mock, make it mook mock, make it bing bing, but bing bing boom bop boop bop. I'm like, God damn, chill out, bro. You tripping, bro. You tripping. Chill. Just chill. Y'all ain't even have to do folks like that, bro. Come on, fool. But anyway, bro, come on, let's get back, because these niggas here is just wildin'. Huh. Oh, this is... My bad. I didn't know he was as hard. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. Hey, we in for a banger, y'all. Thank God. Shout out to the ones who sent me this video. I forgot your name. My bad. Huh. Yo. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Oh God, we gonna have some more GSHAWN700 on this channel. I ain't even gonna cap with you. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna fake with you. There is no way in hell we cannot have more. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do that. We got to. For shit show. There's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. I don't know how I done missed this nigga. I'm mad because it's like, damn, bro, I could have been put on to this thing. I could have been, But But, you know, that's what come with it, you know what I'm saying? So, now I know about him. It's, you know what I'm saying? Now I know about him. He, you know what I'm saying? We finna get busy. Yeah. No, pause. No, pause. Nah, but anyway, yeah. That nigga disrespectful with I fuck with it.
You ain't gotta ask about a nigga.
Yeah.
You know how I'm coming. I treat my Glock just like my bitch. I dick in her stomach. They on my dick since I got money.
Yeah.
Remember I was bumming.
They on my dick since I got money. I remember I was bumming on God, bro. Say, look, check this out though. Hey, this is everybody. I ain't where I wanna be, but you know what I'm saying, farther than where I'm from. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I missaid this shit because I'm hot in a bitch. Stoned to the bone, loaded like a baked potato, motherfucking what, baked like chicken, but yeah, bro, niggas wasn't fucking with you when you was broke. Don't fuck with them when they was bro. You day ones, you know, they'll come before anything, but you know what I'm saying? Hey, and it's crazy that he said that because it's like, if you think about your relationship with certain people, it's like, nigga, it's wild because you don't fuck with them because it's like, nigga, I cross oceans for you and you wouldn't even skip a puddle for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, that, it be shit like that just how you think, like, damn, for niggas really be, but even then, your day ones, even some of your day ones turn out to be straight hoes. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's just like a, you gotta, I don't know, fool. You just gotta, I don't know how you gonna do that, but you gotta, you know, so, yeah.
The boy think it's a game that thought they have them fumbling. Look, I knock your ass off. Yeah, fuck a quarantine, I got my ass out. Bitch, I go crazy, you don't wanna see me spaz out. Yeah, nigga flash out. Yeah, don't make me cash out. I come spinning by myself, don't need no niggas saying I did that. Why the fuck you running when I'm aiming where your wig?
Boy, I look dumb as hell.
Tell them dig that. Try to switch the low, I got that's where we slid at. Yeah, pick your daughter down and bitch, I ain't get no fucking sleep, I'm like, oh, this is stick up this bitch and let a nigga have it. I just BBS my teeth, I could've brought a paddock. Bitch, you must have lost your mind, you fucking with a savage. The type to take her to the trap and fuck on the paddock. I got the pack from out of town, they sent that shit from Cali. I'm in the park, up in the back, I'm trapping out the alley.
Yeah. Long live video about this bitch. Mama, I love you. Shout out to the guys, the gang, the bros. Shout out to Whop, Bezzy, and GSHAWN. We up at this hoe. Gang.